morning, students. Today we revise the lesson. Today we revise the lesson of computer networks. Computer network. See this diagram. You have already learned what is the computer network. A computer network is a system of interconnected computers and other devices that help us communicate, share resources, and transfer information from one computer to another computer. Computer network. There are two types of computer network. One is a wired connections and second one is the wireless connection. What is the wired connection? The cables used to connect the various devices can be twisted pair coaxial or fiber optic cable. And what is the wireless connection? Wireless connection is a term that refers to a network where devices are connected to radio waves. A wireless network does not use wire or cable for data or voice communication. Local area network. LAN. LAN is a local area network. LAN covers a small area confined to one building or within close proximity. Metropolitan area network MAN. MAN is a computer network that is larger than LAN. It can cover an entire city or even a large campus connecting computers across buildings far from each other. Example, cable television network or telephone company network. Wide area network. It is a network that extends over a large geographical area. It is often created by joining several LANs together. They are linked by optical fiber cables, satellite ratio links, and microwave radio links. Personal area network. It is a computer network organized around an individual person and is set up for personal use only. It typically involves a computer's phones, printers, and tablets. Devices can be wired using USB cables or they can be connected without wires using Bluetooth. Controller area network. It uses a completely message-based protocol and is specially designed for high speed in-vehicle communication. It allows communications between microcontrollers and different types of devices in real time. It is used mainly in automotive and industrial environments. It can also be used in lifts, escalators, and automatic doors. Network protocol. A protocol is a set of rules and connections that governs all aspects of communications between computers in a network. Protocols defines the standard methods of information transfer and processing for computers on a network to communicate with each other. Rules defined by a protocol. The format of data that is shared between the different computers. First. Second, how errors in the exchange of data, if any, will be detected. Third, the ways of compressing the data to transmit it faster and efficiently. Fourth, how a connection made between two computers should be terminated. Types of networking protocol. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is standard format to display a HTML page over the web. FTP, File Transfer Protocol. It is used for file transfer over the internet. TCP/IP, Transmission Control Protocol or Internet Protocol. TCP and IP are two different protocols that are often linked together. TCP/IP protocol. The informations, the informations that we send through the internet is broken into packets by TCP using the packet switching technique. TCP is a digital networking communication method that breaks the large data into a suitably sized blocks known as a packets. The IP is responsible for sending these packets to the right address by assigning them a sequence number. These packets are then sent to the internet service provider, which is turn sends the packets through multiple levels of networks, computers, and mediums of its destinations. After receiving the packet, the TCP checks whether it has all the packets and resembles them in the correct order to get the information. If there is a missing packet, it sends a request for the same to the transmitting computer until it receives all packets. Mail protocols (SMTP). It is used when a mail is sent from an email client to an email server. POP3. It is used for receiving mails. IMAP. It is used to store email messages on a mail server and download them. Components of a computer. Network interface card. It provides the hardware interface between a computer and a network so that computers can communicate over the network. Network cables. Cables are used to connect various devices of the network to each other. Network cables. Modems convert analog signals from the telephone line to digital signals which can be read by the computer. The modem also converts digital signals back into analog for transmissions over telephone lines. Components of a network router. A router is used to link computer network to the internet so that users on these computers can share the internet connection. Gateway. A gateway is a node on the network that acts as a doorway to or from another network. It is used to connect multiple networks of different types. ISP. These are the organizations that provides an internet connection to users. Bandwidth, a term used for data that can be transmitted in a given time on a wired or wireless connection. Bandwidth is measured in bits per second (bps). Hub and switch. A hub and a switch both connects a number of computers together to make a LAN. Switch, smart device; hub, dumb device. Switch. What is a switch? A switch functions like a hub, but it is smart. When it receives a message, it checks who it is meant for and sends it to only the specific computer that should receive it. Therefore, networks that use switches are more secure. Hub. When the hub receives a message for a particular computer, it sends it to the every other computer on the network. Therefore, hub-based networks are not very safe. Thank you.